Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. So today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the email address in iCloud Mail. To get started, let's open the iCloud Mail app. Here, you can see a list of mail. So, in order to change your email address, go to Settings. Now, here, scroll down until you find Mail. Tap on it. And now, here you can see Account. Tap on it. Next, click on Gmail, and now turn off Mail. Now, go to your iCloud Mail. Here, it will ask you to log in again. So, if you want to change your Gmail address, then you can go for Google and log in with the Gmail address that you want to. So that wraps it up for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.